Hello everyone, welcome to Elets 18th NBFC and Tech Summit. Today we are joined by Manish Kankani, founder and CEO of Qualtech Consultant. Welcome to the summit, sir.
Thank you.
So, sir, could you share your vision behind establishing Qualtech Consultants and how do you see your role evolving in the fintech landscape?
So let me share a little bit of backstory. When we started in 2003, Y2K had just gone over and there was a huge demand as well as supply of the service provider in the industry. And I was on the other side of the table. A few observations that I had then was, one, the people who are on the other side, which is service provider, the kind of domain understanding that they were bringing was not up to the mark. Second, probably if I can say the intent as well as ability to understand my point of view as a customer was missing. And because of which ultimately the solution which was offered was lacking quality. So that was the backdrop in which we started Qualtech, which means we decided that we'll bring deep domain understanding to the problems that we will solve. And we will leverage technology to provide quality solutions to our customers. So that's how the name, Qualtech, quality and technology evolved. We remain committed to the vision that we had created then. And though over the years, we have got our focus more sharpened. Right now, we work on insurance and lending and leasing part of BFSI industry. On the insurance side, we do enterprise and digital application development. And on lending and leasing side, we implement our vision using our product platform, which is MyFin, which is a end-to-end retail and corporate lending and leasing platform.
Okay. That's great insight, sir. So, sir, as you know, Qualtech has partnered with several NBFCs and their growth through the MFin platform. So, what trends or challenges do you foresee as common NBFCs in terms of technology adoption?
First of all, it is MyFin platform. Yeah. So if I look at the NBFC world, the kind of customers that NBFC is dealing with are the customers which are not primary customer of banks, which means they may in tier 1 city they may not have the right kind of documented income. Second, you add probably tier 2, tier 3, tier 4 geographies to this customer segment. Now, what that means is that NBFC needs a different model of credit assessment. They need to have a different way to reach out to these customers, to service these customers, and doing this in a cost and time efficient way so that business is viable. Now, what these needs of my customer means to me as a technology solution provider is that my customer is looking for a digitally integrated loan and leasing journeys. Okay. That is one. They are looking for a cloud-enabled solution. They are looking for very simple and user-friendly interfaces and omni-channel interfaces. They are looking for local language communications, right? So these are some of the technology enablers or requirements that we see. If I add probably medium and enterprise NBFC segment, then some of the other requirements which get added are a need for reliability, which means that I need to be doing the transactions at scale, ensuring 100% accuracy. Second is the scale, which means my performance time in terms of online and batch processes has to be good. And obviously the security. Security has become very, very important aspect of application architecture. So I would say these are the critical things that we see in the NBFC industry.
That's very well explained, sir. So, sir, as you know, the technology is rapidly advancing. So, how do you ensure that Qualtech's solutions stay relevant and effective for clients, especially in the constantly changing financial sector?
As a technology service provider in this space, we map 4 different landscapes: industry, customer, technology, and ecosystem partners. So we try to bring in the deep domain understanding of the industry to solve nuanced customer problems using technology, and we try and collaborate with technology providers in the ecosystem who complement us so that we can provide an end-to-end integrated solution to our customers. And in fact, as we speak, we are building the fourth generation of MyFin technology platform, which is going to leverage the new age technologies to ensure better user friendliness, reliability, scalability for our customers.
Okay, sir. So, sir, looking at what are your strategic priorities for Qualtech, and how do you envision the role of fintech platforms like in the next 5 years?
So our immediate priority is, as I just mentioned in the previous answer to the previous question, is building the fourth generation of MyFin, which is aimed at creating a much more scalable, reliable, user-friendly platform. In the medium term, we are looking at leveraging advanced technologies like generative AI, machine learning, etc., to solve broadly two use cases that we are right now focusing on. One, how can I assess credit better and faster for my customers? Second, how can I collect better and faster for my customers using these technologies? So that's another thing that we're looking at. And more importantly, I still feel, while we have been in the industry for 2 decades now, but I feel that there are a lot of nuanced problems which are still probably needing technology intervention. So we will probably be working more closely with our customers to identify those problems and provide technology solutions for those.
Okay. So, sir, what is the feedback of the Elets 18th and Tech Summit for you?
I think so far so good. I'm hoping that we'll probably be connecting with more customers in this space. I was told that probably we'll be seeing few more customers post launch. But all the best to you guys.
Thank you, sir. So, sir, how do you think we can improve these kind of the events we do?
I think maybe reaching out to a larger pool. Second feedback which I was discussing with my team was that today I think there are quite a few events that are happening in Bombay, because of which also I think the crowd would have got split. So maybe scheduling the event a little better would help.
Thank you, sir. Thank you so much for the feedback, and I hope you enjoyed the summit.
Thank you for this session, and we loved it so far.
Thank you.